Your body isn't failing you, it's just responding to your standards. You don't lose strength with age, you lose it when you stop earning it. Most men over 50, they don't get tired, they just get unprepared. Years of shortcuts, skip meals, and really sleepless nights, they all catch up. And then one day you wake up heavier, slower, and wondering where the fire went. And here's the truth. Your body, it's a scoreboard of all of your habits, and right now it's time to upgrade your system. When I hit my 50s, I realized something brutal. I wasn't recovering like before. I was strong, but inconsistent. And every time that I slipped, I blamed age. Till one day I said, no, it's not age, it's neglect. And that's when I rebuilt my health like armor, piece by piece. So here are 3 rules that you can apply. Number 1, fuel with intention. Start every morning with about 30 grams of protein minimum. That single move, it changes your energy, your focus, and muscle recovery. Eat to perform, not to survive. Second rule, sleep like it's training. See, sleep, it isn't rest, it's actually repair. 7 hours minimum, non-negotiable. No phone an hour before bed, no excuses. You wouldn't skip training, don't skip your recovery either. And number 3, move every single day. You don't need to crush yourself, just move, walk, stretch, lift. The body that you maintain today protects the mission tomorrow. You're not chasing youth anymore, you're just maintaining readiness. Your body, it is your message, and it tells your kids, your brothers, and the whole world around you how seriously that you're taking your mission. And if you don't protect your armor, you can't protect anything else. I'm building a founding group of men who treat health as a weapon, not as a wish. And we train smart, we recover well, and we hold each other to higher standards. And if you're ready to help shape this brotherhood, join us at the link in the description below. And in the meantime, be strong.